matter of minutes, Portmore United will face Firehouse in the grand finale of the Red Stripe Premier League, and the Maverick will make the call as to who the winner will be. But before we make the prediction, let me say this. There should be no cries about the format of the league this time around, because Portmore and Firehouse have been almost equally consistent this season and equally deserve the title. For sure, Portmore won the $1 million bonus for topping the league table, but Firehouse was right there for the entire season. It's not like them scrape into the top 6, 20 or 25 points off the leaders, and might end up stealing the title. Any one of these two teams win, justice will be served. Anyway, prediction time. Two fully deserving teams and a close game to call. Waterhouse, they have a good mix of youth, experience, and quality, and they have not won the league in 13 years and should be the hungrier team, hungrier than Portmore. However, we should never underestimate the heart of a champion, and the current kings of local football have a well-rounded squad with top quality players. Now into their 4th straight final. Anyway, all things considered, according to the Maverick, the Red Stripe Premier League champions will be Firehouse. Yes, yes, yes. The hungrier factor will make the difference. Yes, yes. Firehouse will be the RSPL champions for 2019, and the Maverick is off to the stadium to witness it.